Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete your transaction history in the Western Union app. First, open the Western Union app on your phone. Log in using your account credentials. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu, tap on the History button. It's located just above your profile option. On the history page, you'll see a list of all your past Western Union transactions. Underneath each transaction, you should see a recycle bin icon labeled delete. Tap the delete button for the transaction you want to remove. Confirm the deletion when prompted. And that's it. Your transaction will be cleared from your Western Union history. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.